Basic English conversation practice. What's your name?
My name is Jessica.
How are you?
I am good.
Where are you from?
I am from New York.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
Can you help me?
Yes, I can help you.
What is this?
This is a paper cutter.
How old are you?
I am 29 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
What do you do?
I am a teacher.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you like music?
Yes, I like music.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can cook.
How do you travel to work?
I travel by local train.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Are you married?
Yes, I am married.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 2 siblings.
What's your hobby?
My hobby is learning new things.
Do you like to read books?
Yes, I like to read books.
What's your favorite movie?
I didn't like movies.
Can you dance?
Yes, I can dance.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is winter.
Can you ride a bicycle?
Yes, I can ride a bicycle.
What's your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is soccer.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I like to travel.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is Given.
Can you sing?
Yes, I can sing.
What's your favorite place to visit?
My favorite place to visit is Dubai.
Do you have any children?
Yes, I have 2 children.
What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is cat.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I like to cook.
What's your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is The Big Thing.
Can you draw?
Yes, I can draw.
What's your favorite restaurant?
My favorite restaurant is the Friend Circle.
Do you like to exercise?
Yes, I like to exercise.
What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is orange juice.
Can you speak any another language?
Yes, I can speak Spanish and French.
Do you like to take photos?
Yes, I like to take photos.
Can you use a computer?
Yes, I can use a computer.
What's your favorite game?
My favorite game is football.
Do you like to shopping?
Yes, I like to shopping.
What's your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
Can you ride a motorcycle?
No, I can't ride a motorcycle.
What's your favorite subject in school?
My favorite subject is math.
What's your favorite day of the week?
My favorite day is Sunday.
Do you like to go hiking?
Yes, I like to go hiking.
What's your favorite vegetable?
My favorite vegetable is tomato and potato.
Can you play chess?
No, I can't play chess.
What's your favorite type of weather?
My favorite weather is winter.
Do you like to go fishing?
Yes, I like to go fishing.
What's your favorite type of car?
My favorite car is luxury.
Can you ride a horse?
No, I can't ride a horse.
What's your favorite color for clothes?
My favorite clothing color is red and white.
Do you like to go camping?
Yes, I like to go camping.
What's your favorite type of shoes?
My favorite shoes are sports shoe.
Can you bake cookies?
Yes, I can bake cookies.
Do you like to watch sports?
Yes, I like to watch sports.
What's your favorite type of bag?
My favorite bag is school bag.
Can you do yoga?
Yes, I can do yoga.
Do you like to go to the beach?
Yes, I like to go to the beach.
What's your favorite type of phone?
My favorite phone is Samsung.
What's your favorite type of watch?
My favorite watch smartwatch.
Do you like to go to the gym?
Yes, I like to go to the gym.
Can you do magic tricks?
No, I can do magic tricks.
Do you like to go to concerts?
Yes, I like to go to concerts.
Can you ride a skateboard?
No, I can't ride a skateboard.
Do you like to go to museums?
Yes, I like to go to museums.
What's your favorite type of flower?
My favorite flower is rose.
Do you like to go to the zoo?
Yes, I like to go to the zoo.
Do you like to go to the park?
Yes, I like to go to the park.
Can you play soccer?
Yes, I can play soccer.
Do you like to go to the library?
Yes, I like to go to the library.
What's your favorite holiday destination?
My favorite holiday destination is Ferrari World.
Can you ride a scooter?
No, I can't ride a scooter.
Do you like to go to the theater?
Yes, I like to go to the theater.
Do you like to go to the beach in the summer?
Yes, I like to go to the beach in the summer.
Do you like to go hiking in the mountains?
Yes, I like to go hiking in the mountains.
Do you like to go skiing in the winter?
Yes, I like to go skiing in the winter.
Do you like to go swimming in the pool?
Yes, I like to go swimming in the pool.
Do you like to go camping in the forest?
Yes, I like to go camping in the forest.
Do you like to go to the zoo to see animals?
Yes, I like to go to the zoo to see animals.
Do you like to go to the park relax?
Yes, I like to go to the park to relax.
Do you like to go to the library to read?
Yes, I like to go to the library to read.
Can you play the piano?
No, I can't play the piano.
Do you like to go to the cinema to watch movies?
Yes, I like to go to the cinema to watch movies.
Can you cook special dish?
Yes, I can cook a special dish.
What are they doing?
They are playing football.
What is he eating?
He is eating a sandwich.
What is she wearing?
She is wearing a blue dress.
What is it making?
It is making a loud noise.
What is he writing?
He is writing a letter.
Thank you for watching my videos.